Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you the products that I have bought from Cult Beauty and you guys are gonna love it. I have specially made this video for you guys because I questioned it on Instagram that would you guys like to see the haul from Cult Beauty, the products that I have bought, and 100% people said yes. So of course I had to make this video and show you the products that I have bought. So this is the look that I have created. Side by side I'll be creating the look and watch it till the end. And now let's get started. So I haven't bought any primer. I am gonna use my old primer and this is my favorite one, though it would not be available after some time and it's totally out of stock on Nykaa. But you can, if you can, then you can definitely go to the international websites and buy, because there it is available, or you can check out some Instagram pages who sell international makeup. This is so soothing. It's a really nice primer. Can you see how it makes your skin glowy, dewy in a second? You see how it is giving such a dewy glow to my face, and it has instantly hydrated my face. And I think it consists of hyaluronic acid also, which plumps up your face and your skin. So I'll just let it set on my face so that my skin absorbs the primer and makes a very smooth base for my foundation, and let it absorb. It would be giving a really nice effect if you give it some time to settle on your face and your skin. And till then I am gonna do my brows and I'll show you how I do it. I'm gonna use this Indulge Essential Brow, and this is basically a soap, and I'm gonna make my soapy brows with the help of this thing. I'll show you how I do it. Okay. So I am using this Indulge Essential mist, and this is a very nice mist. This is specially meant for using this, and there's already a video if you guys want to see the precise way to do your eyebrows, and I have reviewed this product over there, so you can just check it out. Now I'm gonna use my brow pomade and I'm gonna fill in my brows. I'm just gonna use a stroking method for doing this thing. It's actually done, so I am gonna brush it using the spoolie that I have so that they are at their place. I know they're looking really bad just because I haven't gotten them tamed and I don't get it tamed nowadays. So I'm gonna start with my eye makeup first because I don't want a fallout. And guys, the palette that I'll be using do not have a single fallout, and I would say that is the best palette in the whole world. That is so pigmented. I would rate 10 out of 10 just because it doesn't have any kind of fallout. It's super damn creamy, it's pigmented, and the colors are so nice and beautiful, though it's a very costly palette. And let me show you, and that is the first product that I have bought and I'm gonna show you right now. Guys, this is the Natasha Denona palette that I bought, and it's a really costly palette. I mean, like, if you see the size, this is a really small size and it costed me somewhere around 18 sterling pounds, and the biggest palette is almost like 111 sterling pounds, which is almost like 10,000. So this could be the most expensive palette in the world, but it's pretty good, I would say. Huda is also very nice and doesn't even have a fallout, but this one, not even a single fallout. So I'm just gonna clean my brows with the help of a concealer or the primer that I'll be using on my eyelids. I'm gonna show you that primer, and I've already used it, and it's very it's my favorite one. I'll show you. Using this P. Louis primer, this is the one that I'll be using on my eyelids. I'm using the shade right here, this one. This is a very nice transition shade that you can use it on your crease. And here we go. I think I'm gonna buy more Natasha Denona palettes instead of any other. I'm definitely gonna buy Natasha Denona next time. No other palettes, please. I'm just going back and forth with this brush from Pro Art. Now I'm going to take in some of this color. This is a darker shade, and I'm again going to make my crease deeper with the help of this. Do you guys see the pigment? Okay, so we're almost done. I'm just gonna buff these areas so that it looks properly diffused with the help of this brush that I used initially. This will look properly diffused in this way. Okay, so next I'm gonna dig in some color. Which color should I use? This thing goes with my dress, but no, I'm not going to use this. I'm going to take in this one. This is a very pretty shade. If you guys see, can you guys see this? Yeah, this shade right here. And I'm gonna use my fingers, and guys, you see how pigment does this hole. My finger has grabbed so much of pigment. How pigmented this thing is. Apply this frost color with the help of, look, I have applied so much using just one dab from my finger on my right eye, and I still have it, and it gives a really nice pigment on my another eye also. I'm taking this brush again, and I'm gonna blend this dark brown eyeshadow with the frosty shadow that I have applied on my lids. I'm taking this dark brown shade again, and I'm gonna apply it very close to my upper lash line. I'm gonna show you some trick. I am applying the eyelid primer on my nose, because my makeup actually slips off because of the oil over here on this zone. Rest it's all fine, but only here. So this will set my foundation for a long time, and my foundation will not slip off. Favorite palette, that is from MAC, and I'm gonna color correct my areas. I'm gonna put it over my under eye as well, here too, because guys, I have recently started using a face wash, and it has dried my skin so much, and especially this area, my chin, this area, and close to my nose here. I'm facing a lot of dryness, and it's totally like my skin is coming off, and it is making really my skin red, flaky and itchy and painful. I think Pear soap is the best thing for me. I shouldn't try out any other kind of face washes for my face. I'm gonna blend the area with the help of the beauty blender. Okay, finally I'm going to show you my next product, and that is my foundation. And this is my current favorite foundation. This is from Charlotte Tilbury. I know it is available in India, but this was very costly over Nykaa. It was almost 4,000 rupees and I got it for 3,000 rupees, somewhere around 2,900 in INR. So it saved a lot of money. Moreover, there was some discounts going on, and usually you get a lot of discounts and offers on Cult Beauty. Every time you get almost 15 to 20% off all the time throughout the year. So definitely it is a very good deal to buy the foundations from abroad instead of India. And this is really nice. This gives a really nice effect on your skin. It makes it look really dewy. And the reason why I bought airbrush foundation from Charlotte Tilbury is just not the NARS one, just because I always do a lot of research before buying any kind of product that from online, like especially from the international websites, because it's very important, because then you do not have to hustle on returns and right. So just because I did a lot of research, and there was one video on YouTube only, and she compared NARS foundation with this one, and this worked really well. It stayed for a long time. It was very natural on the skin. It does give a very nice airbrushed effect on your skin, making it look really dewy, matte, doesn't slip off, it stays for a long time, and it's so amazing. So I'm gonna show you how I apply it. Now I'm gonna take this dark brown shade, from my favorite palette, and I'm gonna contour. So I am gonna do a very light and smooth contour on my face. So guys, I have bought this concealer from Cult Beauty, and this is NARS concealer in the shade Custard Medium 1, and this is my shade, neutral shade. I'm gonna apply it, and this is very creamy and instantly brightens the area, and this is very nice and I loved it. I'm gonna apply it over here also, because I have a pigmentation problem over here just because of dryness. That's all. My Cover FX loose powder, and I'm gonna just put it under my eye so that it sets down. Also I'll be doing my lower lash line, so I don't want any fallout, though there won't be any fallout because I'm using Natasha Denona. But still, I need to set my eyes very lightly. I won't use much, I'll just use it very lightly. I'm gonna use this dark brown shade on my lower lash line, and we are all set with the eyes, and I'm gonna just buff this out. And guys, I am now doing my blush. I'm gonna use my regular blush that is from My Glam, and I love that blush. I did my blush off camera only, and now I'm gonna show you my favorite product that I bought from Cult Beauty, and this is Iconic Illuminator, And guys, this is such a high product. I really wanted to buy this because this proves to give a very dewy, glowy skin. I'm gonna just apply it over here. I have used this also on my clients, and this is amazing, yeah. Somewhere here also, not much. I don't want it to create some mess. That's all. Just need to blend it, and I'm gonna use this only, a brush that I use usually for blending my highlighter. I actually bought the shade Original so that I can use it on every kind of client, and it looks good on every client basically, so that's why I bought it. So guys, can you see the difference, how glowy and dewy does this look actually? And this is amazing. I just love it. I just love the glow that it actually gives in the end. And I'm going off camera to do my eyelashes and my lipstick, and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you one more product, actually 3 more products, and you guys need to wait for it. So guys, I'm back. I am done with my lipstick. I have applied Bombshell from Huda Beauty, and I have done my eyelashes as well. I used my favorite color bar eyelashes, and I'm going to show you 2 more products. Those are not actually products. You get to buy some samples from Cult Beauty while you're ordering something. So you have the option to choose 2 samples of any products which are available there. So I got the sample from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is the Luminous foundation, and there are 4 foundations. There are 4 shades in this foundation. They are like, you can use it also. They have enough quantity, at least you can use twice each if you're not that full coverage kind of a person. And second thing is this Caudalie, this one. So this is a Caudalie serum. This is for radiant. This is a radiant serum complexion correcting. I don't know, I haven't used it. Of course, this is just one sample and I have not opened it. And this gloss from Charlotte Tilbury. Again, I bought the products from Charlotte Tilbury from Cult Beauty. The products of Charlotte Tilbury from Cult Beauty, just because I was getting it on a very nice prices. And this is the gloss, and I'm gonna apply it, and you can guys see the difference, how beautiful this gloss actually is. I love using glosses these days. Okay, so it's looking pretty good. How do you guys like this look? I'm sure you guys are gonna love this. And if you ever want to buy the products, you can definitely go to Cult Beauty. And this is all, you guys. I hope you loved it. Do give it a big thumbs up. Also, do share my videos. Also, do subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and turn on my notifications while pressing the bell icon. Until next time guys, we'll see you again. Bye bye.